Babe, you look sensational.
Uh-huh. Look, if you're gonna bury me, could you at least put some lotion on my face?
Oil for my goil coming up. Huh. I must have left it in the serve shack. Be right back.
No generic brands! Hurry, Reef! Shoot!
Oil for my goil. I'm a poet and I so know it.
What's the matter, landlubber? Too rough out here for you?
You are so going down, sister.
Reef!
Make way, Captain coming aboard!
Bummer! Where's my daughter?
My best man is evacuating her right now, sir. She is fully, completely, 100% safe. Let's make sure Lo's safe. Let's make sure Lo's safe.
Generic lotion's fine! Reef!
Thought I'd never make it.
Me neither.
Our savior! Oh, thank you! Thank you, whoever you are! Ah! It's some kind of sea hag! Run for your... Oh! Hey, babe.
How could you leave me buried up to my neck in sand in a hurricane?
You did what?
Finn, you have to protect me. You don't know what she's capable of.
Actually, I do, which is why I'm out of here.
What is wrong with you? I could have died. Or worse, wind and salt water could have damaged my new highlights. There. Sensational.
Thanks for not taking this payback thing too far, babe.
It's not like I can recreate that horrible feeling of what it was like to be trapped in a hurricane.
Nope. No, you cannot.
But I did make a few friends.